Webster's dictionary lists the definition of unity as a condition of harmony. It seems as though sometimes it takes the worst times to bring out the best in people. Many times when tragedy strikes, we see people lay their differences aside for the good of their fellow man, and unity takes place. These past few weeks I've seen multiple examples of that as storms have hit our part of the country and people have come together to help others in need. This is how community is built, by everyone helping those around them who are in need. Galatians 6:2 says, "Carry one another's burdens, and this way you will fulfill the law of Christ." Most of us probably desire to see more unity in our world today. We find ourselves wishing for unity to come to our city, our state, our country, and our world. And the best way to see unity come to our world is through community. True community is built when we help carry the burdens of others just as Jesus helped carry everyone's burden by giving his life on the cross. Unity won't magically happen. It will only occur when those who follow Jesus show the world what true love and compassion is. Don't wait to see unity in the world. Instead, let the world see unity through you. I'm Pastor Shan, and that's your 1 Minute Message.